Hi guys, today has something unique. It's one of the probably famous dish from Sichuan cuisine. That's a Chinese cuisine. So this is one from Sichuan restaurant located in Bellevue, just behind the Sears on 140th Street. So this dish is for $10, 10.99 something like that, and the quantity is huge, definitely sufficient for two, probably three guys. And so, what is this dish about? This is like when you hear about Sichuan cuisine, you think of spicy dish that's full of chili flavor. So this is exactly that dish. So what it has is these chunks of chicken that has been deep fried. It has been coated with some kind of batter, deep fried. The chicken pieces itself, I think the batter has some kind of flavor in it. A slight hint of spiciness, maybe salt, some spices they mixed in this batter, coated the chicken, and then they have deep fried it. And what they have done is then they have tossed this deep fried chicken in this spice mix, which essentially consists of chili and some kind of spice that gives you slight tangy salty taste. So this, if you see this right, you will see it will look like it has all these chili flakes, but that's not the case. I think they have basically roasted the chilies with some kind of other spices, salt. So as far as flavor goes, this is like a crunchy, crispy chicken, which has got a lot of flavor. The flavor itself consists of the chili, definitely the chili flavor, saltiness, a little hint of sourness, but it is just good. I mean, as if you ask me for a rating, definitely I would rate it at 3.5. And I've given a slightly low rating to this because it taste wise it's really good. It's full of flavor, definitely goes with whatever drink you like. If you like spicy stuff, this is the dish for you. You should go for. But why? Because basically it is slightly greasy, so people who are like health conscious probably may not find this very tempting or the dish to go for. But people who love spicy food, who all they care is having good food, good taste, then this is a dish for you. Do try it. Let me know how you liked it. Thank you. Have a great day.